Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make picadillo. Okay, so I just showed you how to cut your vegetables. So we also need ground beef. Like if you don't have ground beef, you can use ground pork, or half and half. And then for the bananas, if you can find Thai bananas, you can use plantain or saba. And then for the tomato sauce, you can also use a tomato paste if you don't have tomato sauce. So this time I'm gonna use tomato sauce because that's the only available that I have for now. And then the quail eggs, it's optional, so you can use a regular egg if you want. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so in a pan, heat the olive oil, and then add the minced garlic and the chopped onions, and then stir until it becomes translucent. And you can add now the ground beef, but this time you have to increase your heat into medium high. Then using your wooden spoon, just press down the meat to break it up or loosen the meat, and then keep stirring until the pink color change into brown. Okay, meanwhile in another pan, we're going to fry our bananas, our Thai bananas, plantain, or saba, whatever you have. Okay, so let's check our meat. So this time, just check if our meat change into color. So when it's no longer pink, we can add our chopped tomatoes. Followed by tomato sauce, and then mix everything together, or stir everything together. And then this time we're gonna cover the pan and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And let's check our bananas. Okay, so when it's golden brown, just remove from the pan and then put it on the side for later use. Okay, so let's check our meat. So if you see any chunky meat, just press it down with your wooden spoon, and even the tomato too. And then just mix everything together, and then we can add the ground annatto seeds. So the annatto seeds will bring or give us, a beautiful color to our picadillo, and of course to be more appetizing. Okay, add the carrots and the potatoes, and then stir everything together, and then we're gonna put the water, or if you have a beef broth, you can use a beef broth broth. Okay, after 1 minute, as it boils, add the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, and the fish sauce, and then mix everything together and let it boil for additional 3 to 5 minutes until the carrots and potatoes become soft. Okay, so when it's almost done, add the bell peppers and the green peas and mix everything together, and then just cover the pan for another minute. Okay, after a minute, just add your ground black pepper or white ground pepper, whatever you have, and then of course the boiled quail eggs, and mix everything together, and then this is ready to serve. So I hope you guys like our menu for today, which is the picadillo, and I hope you try this at home while we're still at home, that we have time to cook. And then hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Okay, so you can eat the picadillo with steamed rice and a side dish of fried banana. Or if you're not a rice lover, you can pair it with crackers or pita breads or whatever you like. And this is it. Let's eat.